hi. Thank you.
Good job, Samus.
Thank you for sharing your puffs with me. You have more than one in your hand, don't you?
Samus. Samus. Are you sharing with Daddy? And making weird tongue things. It's cool too.
She wants to make sure I'm actually eating them. Thank you, Samus.
And back for more.
For more.